What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about ACH Alchemy Pay, which has taken a slight dip in value guys, and it's dipped quite a bit, as you can see 17% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at under 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep crashing? Is it going to pump anytime soon? And also, the best option, is it to buy the dip? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? Looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. So the next few hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Alchemy pay, and is it a crypto worth investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, not just Alchemy Pay but most cryptos are down today, and the market in the last 24 hours is down 3%. Yesterday and the day before, Alchemy Pay was one of the top gainers. However, today it is one of the top losers guys. It's not looking too good, and again, as you can clearly see, most cryptos are down in the last 24 hours. But anyways, today's focus is on ACH. So in the last hour itself, it managed to drop 2% in value. Over the last day, a massive 16%, consistently dropping over the last 24 hours. Over the week, 66% guys. As you can see, after every pump, there is a little bit of a drop, and that's exactly what's going on right now with Alchemy Pay. Yesterday it did, and the day before it did pump up in value. As you can see, over 113%, hitting nearly 5 cents in target, or it did hit 5 cents, sorry, yesterday, very early yesterday, and right now dropping back down in value. And over the month, it is a massive 260%. So yeah, so far over the last 4 weeks, it has been performing very well, all up until now. But again, my predictions is that it is likely to pump up over the coming days, but we'll get into that very shortly. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone down by a massive 53%, making it $135 million in trading, which is still a huge amount. However, it's dropped a lot. The main reason is is that it's dropped in value. Not many people are buying it, not many people are selling it, most people are just holding on to it. So guys, that's why the trading volume has gone down massively. But again guys, that is part of the process, and as I mentioned in my previous Alchemy Pay update, do expect ACH to go through a little bit of a drop before it pumps back up, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Alchemy Pay, which is here in purple at just above 2 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at nearly 4 cents at 0.037, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line just about slanting towards the negative direction. Again, they're not looking too steep. Again, they do look like they are going in a straight line, but if you look very closely guys, they are just about slanting towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be dropping down in value a little bit more, down to about 0.033 to 0.034 cents. So at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, even though it has been more or less consistently dropping in value, I am expecting it to pump a little bit in between and then drop back down in value, so that obviously it's not going to drop too much. It's not going to drop below the 3 cents target as I'm predicting. It's only going to drop down to about 0.034 approximately. Now Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. However, what I am expecting over the next week or so, so let's say towards the end of next week, we should be trading around the 5 cents target. Again, some of you guys may be thinking that's crazy from where it is at the moment. However, even though I'm expecting it to pump up in value towards mid to end of next week, do expect more red days, more drops in value to around 3 cents over the coming days before it starts to pump back up to around 5 cents by the end of next week is what my expectations are as of right now. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? I am expecting more increases in value over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late April, I'm expecting an overall increase. And again, we've got quite a mixed signal here. We do have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected according to the graph. However, according to myself, I am expecting an overall increase in value, and we should be trading around the 8 to 9 cents target by mid to late April 2023. So approximately over the next 2 months, guys, we should have more than doubled its value. But again, any major updates that come across, like a major collaboration or a major crash or a major pump in the crypto market or Alchemy Pay in general, then I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Alchemy Pay over the long term. However, over the short term, as I mentioned, I am expecting it to drop further down to around 3 cents or just below 3 cents over the coming days before it pumps back up to around 5 cents by the end of next week. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you guys can see, we are very close to hitting the green zone, and we did hit it yesterday. As you can see here, 23rd of February, we literally hit the resistance target of, let's have a look here, 5 cents, and literally dropped back down. That is what I mean by whenever a crypto hits the resistance target, it's likely to drop back down into the red zone and then break out a couple of days later into the green zone. So by the end of next week or the week after that, we should essentially be trading in the green zone around the 6 to 7 cents target, and hopefully heading even upwards over the next couple of months as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Alchemy Pay, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Alchemy Pay to hit the 10 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.